Are you ready to fix your $1 to $20 million company? Then you need to be in on our challenge. This exciting 5-day online event will help you in fixing your business. Let's talk about leadership today. You can't do it yourself. You can't do it without a process. Even the best and greatest leaders out there use others to help them to be even more effective and better. Effective leadership really means developing you, developing your team, and teaching your team how to consistently win, and in that order. One of the keys that many people miss about leadership is this thing called delegation, which we'll talk about a little bit in another video. But great leaders get it all done through other people. You may have been the expert at one time, but now you have to get it done through others. Can you? Join us for day 5 of our challenge. Don't miss this event. August 3rd through 7th, right here, live. You need to be on the challenge. It'll be 1 hour a day. You can make the time. Fix your $1 to $20 million company, day 5. We're going to address leadership. To find out more about this challenge, please go to CoachManny.com. That's CoachManny.com. CoachManny.com. Click on Fix Your Business Challenge or sign up using the link below. If you have any questions now, during, ever, just email me, Manny, M-A-N-N-Y, at Manny, Nowak.com. Look forward to seeing you on the challenge. Let's do it.